Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you about 8 plus AWS, Azure, DevOps, Cloud, Fresher job openings. Okay. So if you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you don't have any real-time working experience, no problem, guys. You can easily apply to the job openings. Totally, I have about the 8 job openings. Okay. You may be a Azure fresher, AWS fresher, DevOps fresher, no problem. You can easily apply to this. Okay. I'm telling once again, you may be from the any educational background, guys. Like you may be from the B Tech, ME, Tech, or you may be from the BCom, MCom, MBA, or you may be from the BSc, or you may be from the medical background, no problem. Okay. You may be having the career gaps in your academic year, no problem. You can also easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. The only thing is you just need to have the skills. See, if you have learned AWS or Azure or a DevOps, you can easily apply to these positions. Okay. I'm telling once again, see, you may be the fresher. Okay. Like you may be passed out in the year of 2024 or 2023 or in the year of 2022. 2021 20, no problem. You can also apply to these positions. Okay. So requesting everyone, please subscribe my channel and watch this video completely till the end to get the benefit of this 8 job openings. Okay. So now let's begin the first job opening. Here the first job opening comes from the company called Pentara Technologies. As you can see this, okay, here as I've already opened their portal, okay, here this company name is Pentara Technologies, okay. So this is, they are mainly hiring for the position of cloud administrator intern, okay. This is completely for the fresher, guys. So that's why they are hiring for the position of intern position, cloud administrator intern. Moreover, the job location is Mohali, India. As you can see, they have posted this job opportunity on the 28th of March 2024. Okay, so please apply as early as possible because this is this is quite a late time. So I'm requesting everyone, please try to apply as early as possible. Here, if you come into this job information, look at this. The work experience they have mentioned is completely fresher, and the salary they have mentioned is 15 to 25k stipend, including performance bonus. Okay, based on your performance also you're going to get the salary, but you will be getting the salary ranges 15 to 25 plus additional you will be getting performance bonus. The location is Mohali. Okay, the state they have mentioned is Punjab. So coming to this, what they're expecting from this is we are looking for a system administrator to maintain, upgrade our software, hardware, network. So here, if you're mainly good at Linux, guys, okay, if you're mainly good at the system administrator, then you can easily get this job opening. Okay, here coming to this, they have mentioned about the shift timing. Shift timing is 5 p.m. to 2 p.m. in the morning. So this is quite a this is just international timing. So be prepared for the shift. Okay. Next is, if you come into this skill section, requirements, what they're mainly expecting is networking basics. Here you should be having at least basics of networking, guys. Okay. And the next they have mentioned is you should be having the basics of Windows operating system, and you should be having the basics of Linux operating system. You should be knowing the hardware troubleshooting, and you should know how to write the shell scripting or a PowerShell. It may be any choice. Okay. And you should be knowing the basics of virtualization. Moreover, see here, you should have the knowledge on the Windows Server Management, and you should know about understanding the local Active Directory systems, as well as you should know about the creating and managing the virtual machines in Azure. Okay, so these are all the skill sections which they are mainly expecting from you. If you are not good at all these things, no problem, guys. If you are just good at this, okay, if you are just good at this 4 to 5 skills, it's enough. Okay, moreover, they are asking for basics. Okay, so just if you are just started to learn AWS or a Linux or any cloud, no problem. You can just apply to this position. Okay, just go to this I'm interested section and apply to this position. This is the first job opening for you guys. Now, if you come into the second one job opening comes from the LinkedIn. Okay, here in the LinkedIn there is one HR. Okay, her name is Soumya Prashant. She is mainly hiring for her company. The company name is Insania Consultancy Solutions. Okay, if you come into the details of the job openings which they have mentioned is, look at this DevOps Engineer 15. There are total 15 vacancies for the DevOps Engineer position, guys. So many people in the industry says that there are no vacancies for the fresher, but I'm telling you, there are a lot of openings for the fresher. So you just need to search. Okay, you just need to have the ability to search, guys. That is only the thing. Okay, so if you look at this, they are mainly hiring for the vacancies is 15. This is so huge. So please, freshers, if you are very good at DevOps, please try to get this job opportunity. Here they have clearly mentioned it is an internship. Okay, you may be having the internship from 3 to 6 months of period. Once after your internship, Okay, you will be promoted to the full-time job opportunity. And moreover, look at this here. They have mentioned one more thing: DevOps engineer, automation tester, vacancies one. Okay, so this is for the experienced candidate. If any of your friends are experienced, they are looking for the positions, mention them to this job opening. Okay, and how you need to apply for this job opening is you need to DMR. Okay, just ask for a referral, or you can just directly message her regarding this job opening and all. She'll be going to hire you. Okay, so this is the second job opportunity for you. Now, if you come into the third one is for the Azure Cloud Engineering, guys. If you're Azure fresher, please watch this video completely till the end, because I have tried to cover here also. Look at this here. Their company name is Mavericks. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for the position of Azure Cloud Engineering. Okay, if you come into this details of these openings here, they have clearly mentioned it's for the fresher, guys. And moreover, there are so many people says that there are no Azure fresher job openings, but here I'm going to show you the real job openings. Look at this. The job location is Mumbai, Pune. They have clearly mentioned there are two positions in two different cities. Remember, okay. First is Mumbai and the second one is Pune. You may be allocated to any of the job locations. Be prepared for that. Moreover, this is a not internship. This is a full-time job opportunity. Remember the thing. And it is a work from home office. So you just need to go to the office and you need to work for the every day. And here they mentioned about the responsibilities and all. Coming to the requirement section here, work experience as system administrator and Azure admin. By looking at this, you may get confused. Bro, you just said that it's for the fresher, but here now they have mentioned work experience. Look at this here. They have mentioned minimum 6 months and maximum 2 years of work experience with respect to Azure. It means, see, if you are having just 6 months of experience, if you have done some 3 months, 6 months of Azure internships, no problem, guys. You can apply to this job opening. I'm telling you. Okay. So please try to apply. Moreover, you should be having the fundamentals of Azure certifications, and you should be knowing the troubleshootings, and you should be able to learn new technologies, and you should be having the good communication skills. Okay. And here they mentioned about the overall experience. See, if you are having experience like internship 3 months, 6 months, you please apply. I'm telling you. Okay. If you are complete fresher, you may not be able to get this job, but it completely depends upon your skills, which how the project sections and your the resume. Okay. So if you're having solid resume in your hand, you are going to get this job opportunity. Okay. Next is good knowledge of cloud technologies and related to emerging technologies. Okay, you should be having the knowledge of cloud technologies, and moreover, you should be having at least a degree. Okay, so just go to just apply now section and apply for this job opening. Now, the fourth job openings come from LinkedIn, guys. Okay, if you go into the LinkedIn, there is one more position in LinkedIn. There is a company called Cloud Concierge Private Limited. It is from the Mumbai location, guys. I'm clearly telling. Okay, see, they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern. Okay, this is for the DevOps fresher, guys. Moreover, this is the internship opportunity, not a job opportunity. Okay. If you get into the details here, they mentioned you should be good at Linux. Okay, you should be knowing the scripting, and they are expecting from at least a basic knowledge of GCP cloud, and you should be good at AWS cloud, and you should be having the CI/CD. Okay. If you read into the details here, they have mentioned about the CI/CD understandings, and they have mentioned about the containerization and orchestration, that is Docker and Kubernetes, and you should be knowing about the Git, and you should be knowing about problem solving and communication skills. These are all the things they are asking basics, guys. See, if you're a DevOps engineer, means you should be knowing the shell. You should know. Okay, you should know shell scripting and all things. So please be prepared for that. And moreover, you just go to this apply now section, easy apply. Click on this link, and you just apply to this internship opportunity. As I've already told you, this is for the Mumbai job locations. Okay. Now the fifth job opportunity. Okay, before moving into the fifth one, guys, see. I'm requesting once again, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, because I'll be from today, I'll be daily updating you job links, because from past few days, my health was not good. So I was not updating on any job openings to you. Sorry for that, but please do subscribe. Okay. And if you want all the job opening links, which I have shown you now, okay, what are the job openings which are shown, just go to this Instagram handle, Vishwakarkale. This is my Instagram handle. You can just send me an invitation, guys. Okay. So if you send me the invitation, I'm going to send you links. I'll show you the proof also. Look at this here. One of the guy has messaged me AWS Azure DevOps fresher link. See, if you message me like this, once after sending the request, if you just send me message like this, I'm damn sure, I'm going to 100% sure I'm going to send you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. So please do message me. Just send a request and just message me like this. If you just need a AWS fresher links, message me. Or if you just need a Azure or DevOps fresher, no problem. You just message me. I'm going to send you all the links completely free. Okay. Now we'll move into the sixth job opportunity. Here, the sixth job opportunity comes from the company called Ainsco. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of AWS Cloud Engineer. Okay, so here, if you come into the details, they have clearly mentioned AWS Cloud Engineer. And I'm telling you guys, if you're a fresher having at least 6 months, 3 months internship opportunities, please don't miss this. Here they have mentioned just 1 year of experience. See, there will be not much difference between 1 year of working experience candidate and 6 months of internship experience candidate. Okay, so be prepared for this. Pre-prepared for this job opportunities like this. Here they have mentioned the skills also. They are mainly expecting from you EC2, RDS, Lambda, ES3, Redshift. If you just know this AWS 5 services, you are good to go for this position. Okay, so they have mentioned the job location is Pune. And moreover, if you're looking mainly job opportunities in Maharashtra, guys, this is a golden opportunity for you. Please do apply for this job opening. Okay, how you need to apply for this job opening is just click on this. Okay, if you click on this, there will be a email ID opening. So careers@eindsins.com. So this is their email. This is their company, right? So you just need to send your resume to their company email address. Okay, so this is the sixth job opportunity. Now, if you come into the seventh one, here the seventh one comes from the LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, there is one person. Okay, he is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern, guys. Okay, this is mainly from the job location of Mumbai, and the experience they have mentioned is fresher. Okay, so the profile ID name is Parvesh Shaikh. Okay, he is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern. So here he has mentioned about the qualifications. If you read into the details, he is mainly expecting from you a software development. You should be having knowledge on software development. You should be having the knowledge on continuous integration. Okay, and you should be having the knowledge of Kubernetes, AWS cloud. He is mainly focusing on the AWS cloud, guys. If you are good at AWS cloud, please go. Okay, next is you should be good at Linux, and you should be having the experience with automation tools and cloud infrastructure is plus. If you are having experience, means hands-on experience. Okay, not a real-time experience, not a problem. Knowledge of monitoring systems and diagnosis issues. So you should be knowing the how to monitor the systems, and you should know the troubleshooting and diagnosis. And you should be having the you should be a good analyzer, guys, and you should be having the just a degree. How you need to apply for this job opportunities? Go to this email ID, guys. You just need to send your resume to this email ID. Nina Shaite at sigmafrogs.com. So he has mentioned a email ID, right? So please send your resume to this email ID. So this is the seventh. Now, if you come into the eighth one, here in the eighth one of the person, okay, his name is Sanket Singh. He is hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Look at this. He has clearly mentioned 0 to 3 years of experience. Okay, if you're complete fresher, no problem. You can easily apply. If you're having at least 6 months, 1 year of working experience, 2 years, 3 years, no problem, guys. Okay, you can easily apply. So how you need to send your resume? Okay, how you need to share? You need to share here only in the LinkedIn. Okay, you don't need to share in the email anything. You just need to share your DM to. You just need to DM him. He has mentioned the format also. You just need to mention your skills first and experience. Experience mention as 0. Okay, if you're fresher, and notice period is you just leave about if you're a fresher, and location. Okay, so these all are the formats which he has mentioned. So please try to mention this while DM while chatting with him. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. This is the eighth job opportunity for you. And last, one more thing, the bonus, guys. Okay, so the last one comes from the company called Bizongo. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. As you can see, they have posted this job opportunity 1 month ago. This is the ninth job opportunity for you guys. This is a bonus. I have only told you that I will be sharing you 8, but this is a golden opportunity. So please try to utilize this. If you come into the details of this job opening, here they have mentioned about 1 to 5 years of relevant experience with kernel networking OS fundamental. Means you should be good at kernel. Okay, that is in the Linux. Okay, you should be good at networking, and you should be having very knowledge on the OS fundamentals also. And you must have the DevOps scripting experience, guys. It may be the Python, or it may be the Go, it may be the Shell. No problem. Anything, it's fine. Moreover, you should be good at least one cloud. It may be private cloud or a public cloud. If you are good at a public cloud like AWS, GCP, Azure, please mention those. Okay, and moreover, you should be good at distributed systems. He has mentioned, and you should be good at microservice based architectures. Okay, so if you are a fresher having experience, or if you are having at least 1 year of experience, 2 years, 3 years, no problem, guys. This is a good to go job for you. Okay, next is you should be good at proficient in Helm. Okay, Terraform, Revalent, IAC. Okay, he has mentioned the Terraform, okay, and you should be knowing the cloud formation also, and experience with CI/CD pipelines such as Jenkins, GitLab, Spinnaker, Argo, etc. Okay, these are mainly for the fresher. These are mainly for the experienced candidate. If you're having vast experience like 3 years, 5 years experience, then you need to mention this. But if you're a fresher, just try to have at least these skills. There is not a required for this. There is no much experience required for this. But if you're having internship experience, that is sufficient for this job opening. Okay. So this is moreover a startup company, guys. So please try to apply here. As you can see, they have clearly mentioned about the skills and the experience, and moreover, the job location is Bengaluru. Okay. So if you're ready to relocate or you're mainly from the Bangalore job locations, please apply to this job opening. Just go to this apply now section and apply. Okay. So these are all the 9 job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunities in any other domain, please mention me in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring all the job openings for you in the upcoming days. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.